How can you earn self-respect? Sometimes we feel irrespectful in front of others. But we know to continue a relationship, the thing which is important, that is respect. Respect is such thing that we get from others. Everyone wants to be respected by others. But why it's like that? Some people get respect from everybody and some people stays ordinary in front of others. That is the thing I am going to share with you in this session. I am going to share with you some qualities by which people will respect you. The first thing, be good what at you do. Why people respect Qari Abdul Basit, Dr. Tahir Al-Khadri, Islamic singer Sami Yusuf? Because they are best in their work. In that way, those who are best in their field, every people respects them. In your school, the teacher who teaches the best, every student respect that teacher from the other teacher. In that way, in your society, the doctor who treats the best, everybody respects that doctor from the other doctors. That's why in your life, whatever work you do, it can be in teaching, studying, treatment, business, construction work, even though it can be in a labor work also. Make yourself a master in that work. People will respect you. The second thing, that is selflessness. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Mother Teresa, why like these people gets respect from the whole world? Because they are the best example of selflessness. Because they have spent their whole life to make people's life good. In the first meeting with people, if they think that you are a selfish guy, then there will be no respect for you in his eyes. In the other way, if you help a man without a selfish motive, there will be a respect for you in them. It depends on you how much you will be selfless. But how much you will be selfless, you will be more respected. The third thing, keep a positive attitude. The person who complains about his life, no one will like to spend time with him because these people kills others' living excitement and that too. And in other way, the people who carries positive attitude, they motivates others to overcome their obstacles. They inspires others to do the right thing. That's why people respect them. The fourth thing, talk less, listen more. If you talk more, there will be added with your name, talkative. If you talk less, there will be many benefits for you. For an example, if you talk less, when you will say something, people will listen to you carefully in a way that is respect. Except this, if someone speaks something, you can understand it properly. You can give the correct answers. If I say it shortly, if you talk less, you will behave like a wise man. Then you will get respect. The fifth thing, keep your word. No one likes a dishonest man. Everyone respects that man who tries his best to keep his words. If you do a commitment that I will do this work, then it's simple that everyone will respect you. That's why don't make fake promises in your life. Because once you betray your promise, you will never get respect from that man. It's better to say politely no instead of making fake promise. By this, that man will give you respect by saying politely no. If I commemorate again, 5 qualities you should have to give respect. Number 1, be good at what you do. Number 2, keep a positive attitude. Number 3, become selfless. Number 4, talk less, listen more. And number 5, keep your word. Always remember, respect is for those who deserves it, not for those who demands it. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next episode.